The EU's consumer protection laws look set to get stronger. Parliament will vote on legislation to allow consumer rights groups to take legal action on behalf of victims of the same rights infringement. Millions of civil court cases in the EU have cross-border implications. MEPs will vote on new rules making the sharing of legal documents within the EU easier through digitisation and decentralised IT systems. What if tablets, computers and mobile phones were easier to fix? Parliament is set to call for consumers to have a right to repair, prolonging the lifespans of consumer products, ending programmed obsolescence and increasing sustainability. As Europe recovers from the pandemic and moves towards climate neutrality, industries will have to adapt. MEPs are set to call on the Commission to come up with a revised industrial strategy to boost research and development of new technologies and support Europe's industries through the green and digital transitions. MEPs are concerned about a growing pattern of intimidation against journalists in the EU. Parliament will vote on a resolution calling for reporters to be better protected for the independence of public media and a framework to stamp out hate speech and disinformation online.